Today we are at BMW Santon ARC to illustrate the best practices for the paint rectification and polishing process in a body shop. The products shown here can be used according to customer preference. Verrecler G360 Superfast Compound, Verrecler G360 Superfast Finish, Verrecler Rotary Polishing Machine, Verrecler G Mop Super High Cut Pad, Verrecler G3 Wax, a clean cloth, Norton P1500 and P2000 waterproof sandpaper, Norton finishing foam discs, 2.5mm orbital sander, and Norton scuff pads. Make sure that the panel or vehicle to be polished is cleaned thoroughly and in a well-lit polishing bay. Identify and mark all paint defects on the painted surface. These may include paint runs, dust specks, or fish eyes. Before applying any abrasives, mask off the working area. Using the desired abrasives, carefully remove all paint defects. In this demonstration, we are using Norton waterproof sandpaper in a wet sanding process. Continue to compound the painted surface using the preferred polish method. We will start our polishing process with Verrecler G360 Superfast Compound on a Verrecler Rotary Polishing Machine. We then continue the polishing process with Verrecler G360 Superfast Finish. Optionally, you can apply Verrecler G3 Wax to provide your paintwork with a superior gloss finish. The paint rectification and polishing process is now complete.